we go.
Hello everyone, today we go to open the ZT Toys Venom.
Venom. Okay, let me see the Venom. Let me see.
Oh,
Oh, nice. It's a nice one. It's a big one, huh?
yeah.
Okay. How about the back one? Let me see the parts. Okay. Wow. Where did you buy this one?
In Toys Us.
No? Star Kingdom.
Oh, okay. I don't know what they put in.
Okay.
Okay, let's put it
Let
down.
me see. Let me see.
Okay.
Let me see.
Oh.
Okay, put it down. Put it down like that. Sige, go.
Now you need to fly the
No, not like that.
Oh!
Oh,
look at that.
Oh.
Oh.
What are the accessories?
This
Oh, that's of accessories, oh.
this is a big one.
Let me see.
Oh.
Uy, ang ganda. Ay, God bless you. Oh.
This hands.
Oh.
And this. Look at this.
Oh, it's a big one. Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's a big one.
That jumps with me. Let's put this on.
Wait lang. Tingnan natin, likod lang.
Oh, even have this hand. And you even have his
Okay, what's this one?
hand.
This axe. Oh yeah. Oh, the other one.
This
The other parts.
This is the back.
Okay. Assemble first the other parts. So he has a head, alternate head, hands,
How do you do this?
tentacles.
Now you can help me.
Yeah, you put this one at the back like that.
Oh, like that?
And guys, after assembling yung Venom, ito na siya. Oh.
Wait.
Okay, tapos may mga, ito. The other one. Ay, ito. Tignan mo ito.
Oh, this look cool on them. You can help put this on.
So, yan. Ito na siya.
This is it.
Oh my. Let me see the back. Wait, let me see the back. Ayan.
Oh.
Hold na.
Oh,
Ayun.
wait. Even
Let me see. Ayun.
Wait.
Oh, you gonna remove the head pa?
Yeah, it's so cool.
Why?
Oh.
You got for that one?
I'll go do something. This
Oh, here na siya guys. Let me see anak. Ikot mo. Ikot. Yun. Wow. Oh, ganda oh.
Oh, so many tentacles.
So many tentacles. Let me see. Let me see the body figure yan guys. So, yan. Kompleto na siya. Ayan.
Hey, it even for the stand.
Oo.
Um,
Oh. Go to stand.